Hello and namaste, and welcome to day 2 of our 14-day equilibrium challenge, bringing balance into the masculine and the feminine sides of the body. The only way we can raise or want to or can start raising the Kundalini is if Pingala, the masculine, Ida, the feminine, or in balance up in Ajna Chakra. Only then can we awaken the Sushumna. And once the Sushumna is awakened, only then can the Kundalini start to rise. So this equilibrium challenge, the 14-day practice, what we're doing is super important to even begin to rise or allow the Kundalini to rise. Once we've brought balance into masculine, feminine, awaken the Sushumna, and then only Kundalini can start to rise up towards Ajna and beyond into Sahasrara. So, without further ado, and that being said, let's find a comfortable seated position. You can have the hands on the knees, you can have them in the lap, whatever feels good to you. We're just going to ground down for a few moments before we start the practice. I invite you to softly close the eyes and take a few moments to feel grounded. Draw your attention into Muladhara chakra, in the perineum, the space in between the genitals and the anus, the pelvic floor, and imagine this swirling red vortex of energy. Muladhara chakra, the element of earth, pressing down through the sitting bones, pressing the perineum into Mother Earth, feeling safe and secure in each and every single moment. A sense of belonging, a sense of purpose. Softly rubbing the hands together. Bringing the hands into prayer in front of the heart center, finding stillness, feeling that heat in between the hands. We'll open this practice with Om Namo Gurudev Namo. If you wish to join, please do, but if not, that's perfectly fine. Just listening to the mantra and the vibrations of the mantra. So let's exhale completely. Inhale to chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale last time. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Feel the gentle and subtle vibrations flowing throughout the body as we recognize and bow down to that inner wisdom and guru that lies within. Keeping your attention in Muladhara chakra, that swirling red vortex of energy, feeling grounded, feeling safe, feeling secure. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. I'm going to bring the soles of the feet together, interlace the fingers around the toes, sit nice and tall, keep the head as a natural extension of the spine. We're going to flap the legs up and down, and at the same time we're going to be doing the breath of fire, so the rapid inhale and exhale through the nose. Slightly pumping the navel and the diaphragm. We'll be doing this for 1 minute. So like the last practice, we're going to be going from one practice to the next really fast. Okay, there will be a slight break in between some of the kriyas, but it'll only be a short break. So just be prepared to move slightly faster, not as fast as the last practice, but fast between each kriya. Sitting nice and tall, draw the gaze up to Ajna Chakra Shambhari Mudra, and we'll start the practice. Let's start flapping the legs, pressing down through the sitting bones, pressing down and opening the perineum, connecting with the breath of fire. Really feeling the opening of the pelvis, the arousal of Muladhara chakra, allowing the energy to flow around the perineum, around the pelvis, purifying, detoxifying and cleansing the nadis, connecting with Mother Earth and feeling grounded. Beautiful, find stillness, open the eyes, cross the legs in front, grab the shin. We're going to be doing a seated cat-cow. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Really feel that grinding and grounding of the perineum as we're tilting the pelvis backwards and forwards, a gentle massage of Muladhara Chakra, the awakening and arousal of Muladhara Chakra. Inhale deeply, finding stillness, squeezing Mula Bandha, lifting the pelvic floor and the perineum, locking it tight, locking that energy in Muladhara Chakra, in Muladhara Bandha. Gaze up towards Ajna Chakra, locking that energy inside, pressing down, feeling grounded, feeling safe, feeling secure. And release the breath, release Mula Bandha. Relax the shoulders down and away from the ears. Beautiful. Just feeling that gentle arousal of Mula Bandha, Muladhara Chakra. Let's inhale deeply. Relaxing, exhale through the mouth, sigh it out. Oh, beautiful, softly coming back. We're going to extend the legs out in front of us, draw the toes in towards the body, extend the arms out parallel with the shoulders, pointing the fingers towards the front of the room or wherever you may be, the garden, I don't know where you are, it doesn't matter. And we're going to be inhaling back, exhaling forward. Really powerful, beautiful Kriya. We'll be doing this for 1 minute and then we'll be going straight into the next Kriya, but I'll guide you through it. So inhaling back, exhaling forward, feeling that live nerve stretch, the opening of the back of the legs, the arousal of Muladhara Chakra. So arms straight out, eyes closed up to Ajna Chakra in Shambhari Mudra. Let's start the practice. With your next exhale, as you come forward, place the hands on the toes, the shins, the ankles, and just breathe deeply. Inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling deeply through the nose. It doesn't matter if you have a nice bend in the knees, that's perfectly fine. Just do whatever is available to you and breathe deeply. Inhaling prana and vital energy through the nose, and exhaling anything that no longer serves you through the nose. Energizing the body, pressing down through the perineum, feeling the stretch of the live nerves in the back of the legs. Opening the back of the legs up, allowing the energy to flow up and down from the soles of the feet into the perineum. Arousing Muladhara Chakra, opening the nadis, cleansing, purifying, feeling safe, feeling secure. Inhale and exhale deeply. Beautiful. With your next inhale, softly release the toes, the shins, the ankles, the knees, wherever you are, and bring the hands onto the thighs. Sit nice and tall. Head is a natural extension of the spine. Let's inhale deeply together. And exhale through the mouth. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. We're going to come into a cross-legged seated position. And you can have the legs wherever you wish. You can place one foot on top of the other thigh. You can have the legs completely like this. It's entirely up to you, whatever is available to you. What we're going to be doing in this Kriya is a super powerful Kriya. We'll be placing the hands next to the pelvis. We'll be inhaling up, exhaling just dropping down, really banging the perineum, the pelvic floor, the sitting bones into the mat to arouse Muladhara chakra, to feel safe, to feel secure, to cleanse the nadis, to open up Muladhara chakra. Happy? Like I said, if you want to lift the legs and the knees and the lower parts of the body completely off the mat, you can do, but you don't have to. So let's sit nice and tall. We'll close the eyes, gaze up towards Ajna chakra. So we'll be lifting on the inhale and letting go on the exhale. We'll be doing this for 1 minute. Let's start the practice. Really feeling that arousal as we're hitting Muladhara chakra into Mother Earth, the element of Earth, the cleansing, the opening, the arousal, allowing that energy to flow, charging that internal battery. Releasing the hands, putting the hands on the knees, inhaling deeply, holding the breath, squeezing Mula Bandha, contracting the genitals, the anus, lifting the pelvic floor, really squeezing and locking that energy in Mula Bandha, arousing Muladhara chakra, imagining that red swirling vortex of energy in the perineum, and release. Release the breath, release the shoulders, release Mula Bandha. Just keep that gaze and attention on Muladhara chakra, that swirling red vortex of energy, feeling safe, feeling secure, feeling that arousal, that sense of security. And releasing any fear, anxiety in opposition to that. Feeling the balance in Muladhara chakra, that equilibrium, what we're bringing into the system of the body, the masculine, the feminine, raising them up over this 14 days journey up to Ajna chakra. Bringing the hands to prayer in front of the heart center, eyes closed, attention inside. Let's finish this practice with Satnam. Let's inhale deeply. Softly bowing the head down to Mother Earth and asking for self-peace, world peace, universal peace. Bringing your attention to Muladhara chakra in the perineum, the swirling red vortex of energy, the element of Earth, feeling safe, feeling secure, feeling grounded. Softly raising the head up as we inhale, releasing the hands down to the knees, softly opening the eyes. Thank you for joining me in day 2 of this super powerful equilibrium practice, where we're bringing each and every chakra into balance through these 14 days. The first 2 days have been Muladhara chakra, the next 2 days Svadhisthana chakra. I hope you're enjoying it so far. If so, click like, subscribe, ask any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste. Follow the link above for a guided meditation on Muladhara chakra for that final balancing. Namaste.